guys, it's me, Mrs. Pros, coming to you from outside today because it's a gorgeous day, and why not? We've been having some great weather lately, so I hope you've been enjoying it as much as I have. So anyway, this is the video directions for Wednesday, April 1st, so happy April Fool's Day to you. Maybe you can play a little trick on your parents or something like that, or your brothers or sisters, or something that would be kind of fun. So, okay, so for today, so we have what you're going to be doing today is you're going to be writing a paragraph. So the last 2 days, actually you're going to be writing 2 paragraphs. Actually the last couple days you have been learning about Buddhism, and so you kind of hopefully now have a good understanding of those 4 noble truths, the Eightfold Path, and the middle way, okay? And so what we're going to ask you to do is, if you click on the PDF, there is a PDF online Buddhism Rabbit Constructor Response is the name of the file, okay? And what you're going to do, if you click on that, it will bring up a comic, okay? And the comic is actually the same illustrator as the guy who does The Simpsons. So if you're a big Simpsons fan, you'll like that. And so what the comic does is, in the first picture, it is a rabbit, and it's like holiday time. He walks in, he sees all of these presents all over the place, and he thinks, this better be good. And then in the next frame, you see him opening all of these presents, and he's kind of huddled in the middle, sad because he didn't get the one duck that he wanted, but he had all of these other toys that he really just was not thankful for, okay? And so what you guys are going to do is you're going to write 2 paragraphs and telling us how that relates to Buddhism. I believe we also gave you kind of like a word bank of words to use in that constructor response. So things like selfish desires, suffering, meditation, Eightfold Path, things like that. Because remember, one of the biggest thing about Buddhism is they believe that all suffering comes from selfish desires, whether that's your personal selfish desires or the selfish desires of somebody else, okay? A lot of you guys had questions about that related to your homework yesterday about, well, you said that, like, one of the questions was do you believe that that all suffering comes from selfish desires? And a couple of you said no, because you won't. Sometimes it comes from the selfish desires of somebody else, which is true. That's part of Buddhism. So again, the whole main part is that to end all of your suffering, you need to give up your selfish desires. So use those words at the bottom. You're going to write 2 paragraphs. We also posted the 6 steps to construct a response that you can use to help you. Remember, those are 6 steps. So write a topic sentence, take notes from the text, things like that. You don't really have to take notes from the text because that's kind of what you've been doing the last 2 days. So yeah, underline, just make sure that you double check for capitalization, punctuation, things like that. You can upload this 2 ways. So I would like for you to type it in Google Docs, and then you can submit your Google Docs to the assignment. Or if you can't figure that out, you can just type it in Note or Google Docs and screenshot that and upload your picture, just like you guys have been doing, okay? So once again, I hope you are having a great day. Get outside, enjoy the weather, but also make sure you do your homework, okay? Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow via internet. Bye.